In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete Steam game saves across different directories, ensuring your progress is wiped clean, whether you are trying to fix a corrupted save file or simply wanting a fresh start from scratch. Managing your game storage and save data is a fundamental skill for PC gamers, and while Steam Cloud is a fantastic feature, it can sometimes make it tricky to permanently remove old progress. This method is perfect if you have specific games where the in-game menu doesn't offer a delete option, or if you need to clear out hidden files that are causing performance issues. We will be going through the process step by step so that you can find these often hidden folders with ease. If this video helps you get your library organized, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more high-quality gaming tutorials and PC tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser or the Steam desktop application. The very first place you want to begin is by navigating to the Library tab at the top of your Steam client. This is where all your installed games are listed. Once you are in your library, look for the specific title you want to manage. Right-click the game name from the list on the left-hand side, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to click on Properties. This will open a new window containing several technical options for that individual game. Within the Properties window, look at the sidebar on the left and find the section labeled Installed Files, which was previously known as Local Files in older versions of Steam. Inside this tab, you will see a button that says Browse. Clicking this button will automatically open a File Explorer window that takes you directly to the game's actual installation directory on your hard drive. And this is the most reliable way to find where a game stores its internal data. Now, it is important to note that developers store save files in different locations. While the Browse button takes you to the installation folder, you should look for folders labeled Saves, Save Games, or User Data. If you don't see them there, many modern games store their save data in your Windows Documents folder or the App Data directory. To check your documents, simply open a new File Explorer window, go to your PC's Documents folder, and look for a folder with the game's name or the developer's name. Once you locate the specific save files or the folder containing your progress, select all the files you wish to remove, right-click them, and choose Delete. This removes the local copy from your machine. However, keep in mind that many Steam games use cloud synchronization. If you delete your saves while Steam Cloud is active, the platform might automatically download them again the next time you launch the game. To prevent this, go back to the Properties window we opened earlier and select the General tab. Under the Steam Cloud section, toggle the switch to off if you want to ensure the files stay deleted permanently. This is a crucial step that many users forget, only to find their deleted progress magically returns. Once you have deleted the files and adjusted your cloud settings, you can close File Explorer and the Steam Properties window. Your game should now treat you as a new player upon the next launch, allowing you to build your progress again or free up that precious storage space. Mastering the file structure of your Steam library is a great way to take full control of your gaming experience and troubleshoot issues without needing to reinstall entire games. And that's it. You've successfully located and deleted your Steam game saves. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated with the latest 2026 gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.